everybody, Lin-E here, and today we're going to do a new kind of tour of an ambulance. And Shannon, right?
Yep.
I did it good.
Yay!
Yay! Shannon here is going to tell us a little bit about her adventure on finding her ambulance.
Well, this is Rita. She named herself. I was looking for an alternative way of living because I couldn't rent an apartment. Ended up running across this, which the irony is I was a medic for 25 years, so living in an ambulance I used to, and now I still do. I don't know, it's funny. But yeah, so I found her on Van Campers and went and saw her and bought her the next day.
Isn't that awesome? So what year is this?
It's an 02 E350 or E450, I'm sorry. Old Horton Ambulance on top of it. They are usually built in Minnesota. So
okay.
That's where she originated from. She started in California. The guy who built her out took her into the mountains for like snowboarding and mountain biking and all of that, and he wanted a place to stay. He was a medic, and then the couple I bought it from him, and they lived in it full time for about a year, and then I bought it from them. So. Awesome.
And yeah, I see that it sits up pretty high.
It's got a 2.5-inch lift. She's 4-wheel drive. A lot of ambulances are made like that anyway, just because of the rural areas that they have to get into. So once, you know.
Wow. And what's on top?
So on the roof I have the, air conditioner, and then I have 400 watts of solar up front.
Awesome.
My spare tire is up there as well.
And then you have a built-in ladder.
Starling? Like a hook up there from an old Starling. So.
Awesome. This is so cool. Okay. I know. What's your gas mileage?
Not great. I don't know exactly.
Is it diesel?
It is a diesel.
It is diesel. Okay.
It is a diesel. She has a 48-gallon tank. So I usually don't let her get too far under half, just because I don't necessarily trust the gas gauge so much. I mean, it's 25 years old. So
yeah.
Sometimes I just don't trust it, so I just fill it up, and it's usually 30.
Yeah, did you do this
gallons.
front black on here, or was it like that?
It was like this.
It's cute. I love it. I love that.
It makes her look a little mean.
Oh yeah.
Oh
tough. Yeah. And your name again was?
Rita.
Rita. And tell us why Rita.
I literally was driving home from checking her out, and that name popped in my head.
Rita.
And I have no Ritas in my life. I don't know Rita.
Oh my gosh. It's okay. Well, let's go in. Rosie, you gonna be okay if I go in here? You gonna be okay, honey? I'll be right back.
So.
Okay, let's hope I can get in. Not bad.
Pull on anything you want. Anything is sturdy.
There we go. I did it. Oh, big refrigerator. Here, I'm going to zoom this out a little bit. Get better footage. I guess that's as far as it's going to zoom. So, I'm going to get in, so maybe I'll get it better. Wow, I love the woodwork.
Yeah, that was all fun. Sorry, I guess I can turn the fan on a little bit.
Here, just help me. I have bad knees and bad foot.
Nope,
okay.
I got you.
You can fit through that, huh?
Yep.
And that's a closet there?
Yep, a little storage. It's quite deep. It goes all the way back to about here.
Wow, I see it. That's a nice pantry.
And that's just the front where the 2 seats are.
Wow, it looks like you got a lot of controls.
None of them really work.
Okay.
Most of them have been unattached because it's illegal to actually do that. Yeah, that's my fridge, and then like a little pantry. So like that's just a little curtain.
Right here, she's sleeping. Okay. Boy, you just got all kinds of storage in here.
It's crazy the amount.
I really like the wood.
Yeah.
That's neat.
So this is an ambulance storage container.
Oh, cool.
This is an actual still.
Yeah.
So usually the bench seat would be here.
Uh-huh.
And these are normally here. So
that's cool.
This is my closet back here.
Uh-huh.
So you can get into it here. You can also get into it from the outside. I can open the back door, and what I want to do is create like a little like shelving unit over there so I can store some stuff over
Right.
there. Because I can use this
Mm-hmm.
as a little chill spot.
But you need your little
But I can also
side
open
table.
this door
Yeah.
and have the breeze come through.
And have a view. Maybe.
have a view.
Yeah. That'd be
So
nice.
that's my plans.
And so what is that
These are exhaust fans. So you
Okay.
just push them out and they actually, like there's one right over there that
Oh,
I use
okay.
mostly for cooking.
Well, that's cool.
So
Yeah.
just exhaust
Lots of
straight out.
storage. I love this. This countertop.
Yeah.
So this was all built out when you got it.
And then all my kitchen storage is underneath.
Oh, yeah. You got your little, is that a Mr. Buddy?
My buddy heater,
Buddy heater.
Yeah, my diesel
Potty.
heater. Potty is this one.
This one's the potty.
Yep.
What kind of potty is that?
So that's called a dry flush toilet.
Wasn't that nifty?
So you put a little bit of powder in there.
Yeah, my poo gel.
You go, and then it seals it,
Mm-hmm.
and then you throw it away like a diaper.
Oh, I like that. I bet that was expensive.
$750, $800. Wasn't horrible.
I'll keep my box.
It was important to me because I have some GI issues.
Okay.
So that was
Yeah.
something that was important to me. But yeah, my little coffee station and
Big O sink. Big O faucet.
yeah, I don't like it, and it also is not working right this second.
Oh,
so,
bummer.
Um,
Need to get you one of those just little portable USB ones.
so I have one. If you, I have some storage water behind you.
Awesome. I've got 2 of those.
Yeah, there's another one over there. There's
Mm-hmm.
I have a couple of other fans. I have air conditioning up
What's
here.
underneath?
My clothing. And then the storage goes all the way back to the wall.
Yeah.
So right now I have my new diesel heater that I'm supposed to get installed, and then like a bunch of storage behind it, and then a bunch of storage
Right.
outside too. So
Looks pretty comfy. I
is.
like it. Now, is your refrigerator, is it 12 volt or?
Yes.
Okay. And it was in when you bought it?
Yep.
So you purchased everything already ready?
Yep.
And how long have you owned it? Right here, baby. I'm right here. It's okay.
I bought her September 1st, moved into her October 30th of last year.
So you're not quite a year yet.
Not even
Wow.
5.5
You're
months.
a newbie.
Oh yeah.
You're a newbie.
Oh yeah.
That's
and
awesome.
May 1st is when I started on the road full time.
Oh, cool. Congratulations. I love it. You got a little drying rack here.
So this is actually also a shower. So there's a shower right there
Oh,
that you can pull
cool.
out, and this.
Oh,
there's
I see.
There's some hooks right here, and you just hook a shower curtain up, and there's a drain at the bottom of this,
Oh, cool.
and you can use it as an indoor or an outdoor shower.
Oh, man. So you got your potty and your shower right here.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
And so I haven't used it there because I have water issues with my water pump, but
It's all a process, honey.
100%,
Yeah.
100%.
You may redo the whole thing. Who knows?
Trust me, I know. And, people are like, oh my God, there's so many issues. I'm like, my garage leaked. I had a problem with a basement electricity.
Yeah.
I had,
Yeah, I know.
It's just different issues that I used to have in a
your
brick
home.
and mortar. So.
It's your new home, and what's fun is you can always change them around.
Right.
Which you like to do in your house, too.
Right.
So, you
Yeah.
know.
So-
I love it.
So this is her story, was all the stickers before. And then this is what I'm going to add, is all the states I go to.
Oh, I need to give you my sticker.
Well, yeah, because I stuck my little...
Oh,
I got that
yeah.
yesterday.
Well, I guess you don't need a sticker.
But I got all of the states.
Awesome.
So every state
So
I
that's what
picked.
you're going to do.
That's my...
I got a states board with stickers, and it's
I
United States.
I wasn't sure how I was going to add to her story.
That's cool.
Right? And so I figured the stickers are her
So this
story.
is what you've done so far?
No, that's what she has done.
Oh,
I
gotcha.
have not done anything with her except for come here.
That's where I wanted to go this summer, but I don't think we're going to get to do it because of gas.
Yeah, that's so crazy.
Zion.
So yeah, she's been to a lot of places. And then,
Yeah.
because even if you can close, step forward just a little bit for me. Okay.
Oh, yeah. Oops.
That's okay. Again. So this is just all of her story, just all the stickers. And so I was just trying to think of a way, how can I add to her story?
Oh, wow. She's had a story.
I know. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah. I love it.
So that's why I'm, adding my own piece of the story in state stickers.
Well, I love it. Love it, love it. So where's the license plate from?
This license plate is from my pickup truck that I just sold.
Okay.
That was the last license plate that was on this truck.
Okay.
And then these license plates are plates that have been on.
So it was an Archie?
Yes. Yeah, the
All right.
people who I bought it from, they lived in Arkansas and ended up moving to Indiana. So, but yeah, so there's some other license plates, and I just thought it'd be a cool idea to put my
This one's
license
cool.
plates on
What's
there.
that?
I have no idea. From 1919, yeah.
Wow, 1919.
Yeah.
Wow, that's cool. Now, does this work? Does this blow air?
It does. Yeah, I can, you just...
Thank you so much for letting me tour your ambulance.
No
it's
problem.
awesome.
I love her. So
And I want to wish you nothing but good things on
Awesome.
your journey.
Thank you so much.
Thanks for coming to the meetup.
No problem.
Peace.
Bye, guys.